Polly the Parrot perched confidently on a wooden stool, her feathers a brilliant array of blues and greens. With a quick fluff of her wings, she squawked into the camera.
Welcome to Polly's Perfect Plates. Chop the onion.
Her beak snapped enthusiastically as she gestured to an onion on the counter. Sammy the Squirrel, the diligent co-host, darted around the kitchen, trying to maintain some semblance of order.
Easy there, Polly. We need that onion.
He chattered, grabbing the onion just before it tumbled to the floor.